All right, these problems I was just trying to see if we were getting better at working with decimals and also order of operations. So here we've got 17 and 6/10 plus 3 and 4/10. Well, this one you could just sort of add by place value, or I guess you could line them up if you wanted to. Six-tenths and 4/10. That's going to give me a whole. Okay, that's 10, 11. Carry the 1, and you get 21. Okay. We could have quickly seen that. The 17 and the 3 gives me 20, and the 6/10 and 4/10 gives me 1, so 21. All right. B. We could line this up and borrow and carry, or we could think about it in terms of a number line. We're at 3.6 and we need to get to 12. I like to do this. To get to 4, it takes 4/10. And then from 4 to 12, it's going to take me 8. So my answer was 8 and 4/10. All right, next one. Order of operations. This is a term here. So we need to find the value of this term before we can do the subtraction. So I'm going to take the 3 plus the 9, and that's 12. So I simplified that term, so now I'm going to have 32 minus 12, that's 20, divided by 4 plus 6, is 10. So 20 divided by 10 is 2. All right, next problem. Order of operations. We need to simplify this term and this term before we can do the addition. All right, we need to do the multiplication before we do the addition. So this term here, 7 times 3 is 21, and this term is 16. And if we add those, we get 37. Next problem. We need to simplify what's inside these parentheses, these terms inside the parentheses. So I've got 2, and what's inside here? 14 minus 9, that's 5. And what's inside these parentheses? 17 minus 4, that's 3. So I now have, this is a term here, 2 times 5. I need to do that first. It's 10. And then do the addition or subtraction. We have subtraction, so it's 7. All right. A lot of people got this particular problem wrong. We need to take care of this term first inside this parentheses. So this becomes 16. 2 minus 1, that's just 1. So many people were tempted to do this. You can't do this until the very end. Addition, subtraction is last. So this is actually a term here. So that's 16. And this is a term here. 16 divided by 2, that's 8. Now we can do that final addition. 8 plus 2, which is 10. Okay. A lot of people got 4 for this answer because they thought it was 16 divided by 4, and it's not. You have to do the adding of the 2 at the very end.